Hey guys, Nancy Walsh here. I'm over at T Farm Homes Built by Ashton Woods, and I just wanted to take a little bit of time and show you the McKinley floor plan. This is one of my favorite floor plans. It's just a little over 2,000 square foot. It is 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. You also have the option of building a second floor, which would then give you an extra 500 to 600 square foot, which would include a loft, a bedroom, and a bathroom. So I just want to show you around. And let's go inside and take a look. All right, so here's the outside. We do have 3 different elevations. This one here does include the dormers, or you can build it without. So it gives you a couple different options. Of course, the colors, we have so many different colors to choose from. All right, so here we are in the foyer. We're gonna go right here to the right, and there is bedroom number 1. It does have a great size closet. Secondary bathroom, and your second bedroom, which basically mirrors the one right across the hall. All right, great hallway space. I love the extra wide hallway here. There is a coat closet, and then to the left is a half bath. Right here is the dining room. Family room. And then look at this kitchen. I absolutely love it. I love the extra long countertop, the pendant lighting. This collection is called our Coastal Collection. It's a splash. It's very coastal. All right here we have a pantry. And we have an extra closet. And then if you're not building the second story, you get all this extra storage space where the stairs would be. If you build the storage, it's about half that size for the steps. And then your laundry room. One of the great features about this floor plan is I love this covered porch. No skimping at all on this porch. I love it. Another closet. And this is the primary. Great size primary, lots of space. Tile shower with a little bench. Linen closet. Double sinks, extra long double sinks. Love it. And then you've got your closet. All right, well that sums up my tour of the McKinley. It is a little over 2,000 square foot. It is 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, or you can build it as a 4-bedroom, 3-bath with an extra half bath downstairs. Let's see, it's just an amazing floor plan. I just love this, how spacious it is. I love the option of building the extra space upstairs. If you are interested in more information or any other home that's being built out here, give me a call, send me a text. I would love to help you. You can always reach me on my cell phone, which is 843-718-4285. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Take care. Bye.